Let's look at how to use Jeda.ai's diagram recipes to create polished, ready-to-present diagrams fast. Open the AI menu and head to the Diagrams tab. Instead of starting from a blank canvas and hoping for the best, start with a structure that already makes sense. Let's pick the BPMN recipe. Fill in the basics, pick a reasoning model, choose your layout, and decide whether you want web search on or off. Generate away! Your first diagram in seconds! Let's level it up with model choice. Turn on Multi-LLM Agent, select up to 3 models, and let Jeda.ai gather multiple perspectives. One model for speed, multi-model for depth, and aggregation when you want one polished answer instead of a small AI debate club. You don't have to rebuild it every time you want more detail. Just click a node and use AI Plus to add related branches, extra detail, or missing thinking right from that point. And if you want to go bigger, use Vision Transform and turn it into another format like a matrix. Much nicer than starting over like it's a punishment. Double-click any node to edit the text directly, or just manually add one. Format font, color, and even the shape style itself. Color, border, thickness, shadow. Don't forget the connectors. You can change arrow direction, line style, curve type, thickness, and even toggle animation. And when the visual is ready, select it to download the way you need it, with background, without background, or as SVG. And that's how you can use Jeda.ai diagram recipes to generate, expand, restyle, and export diagrams that are actually presentation ready. Happy diagramming!